I think that they were relevant to what we needed to learn. You have to learn the basic skills first of all before you can move on to more advanced skills.
Yes. Basically, all of them are really. Number one, they're identify our learning needs and develop solutions. We were good at getting answers and sorting out what we had to do. Like, we were good at getting on the mark and starting it off, like, and everything like that.
Yeah, we've learnt a lot about the health and safety in the workplace through each scenario, so we've achieved a lot by that, I think.
Or maybe time management, better, people are watching their time better, and is the media people are using correct, like, you know, for appropriate demonstrations, PowerPoint, posters, just talking, that kind of stuff.
Do the assessment and class activities format encourage you to achieve these? Yes, the assessment and class activities have encouraged us to achieve these learning outcomes, as we each have learnt and carried out self-study of every scenario. The scenarios are related to health and safety and to biology and chemistry, so it is encouraging us to learn or to achieve more knowledge and skills each week, as they will be useful to us in our future career. The scenarios are team-based, so it is encouraging us to achieve and participate in team-based activities.
The assessment and class activity format encourage us to achieve because the class is of competitive nature and all the groups are competing against each other, and therefore it causes all teams to up their game and everybody's always striving to improve and be the best. You're in a team, so therefore you feel like you're working for others as well as yourself. So if you don't pull your weight, you're letting everybody down, and it's not just you, so you always feel compelled to do your work. With the presentations, you can't bluff, like, you have to either know it or you don't, and your information, you have to present it to and project it properly to your audience, or they won't understand. And the continuous assessment format makes it essential that you stay on top of your work or you lose all your marks.
Best and worst aspects. I thought the best aspect was the relevance to health and safety. I think it was the first time that we've actually, you know, been sourcing information from a health and safety point of view. I thought the workload was both good and bad. It was heavy, but you know, it helped us work under pressure. But I think if you had more time, you might have been able to get more information in like more detail. So I mentioned the wiki. I said the wiki there. Any information you forgot, it's there. It's permanent. You know, you can come back to it.
This semester we're a lot more involved, and we're doing the wee little quizzes with the clickers and everything, and we hadn't done anything like that before, so it's a lot more active and a lot more fun now this semester. And the worst part about the EBL, well, I would say would be this. But you know, yeah. But sure, it's like a child with discipline. They don't like it, but at the end of the day it's good for them. So
I think they're pretty good, like, because we wouldn't be standing up here now if we weren't pushed really to do it.
Are there any outcome skills that are missing that you believe your team are achieving? I've put down just more confidence, basically. The more practice we get, the better we tend to be, like, because we learn from our mistakes and the feedbacks that we get every week. Getting used to the atmosphere of presenting, which guessing will be a big part of our job next year's, or when we get, and all of us could input, like, without feeling embarrassed or uncomfortable. And basically the last one, we learned how to crack in class and make EBL a bit more fun.
And as part of my group and I, we felt we are achieving our goals and learning outcomes. The reasons why: we work well as a team, there's a good atmosphere, we understand what we're being asked, our communication skills are good, we enjoy working through the scenarios, we carry out our individual tasks, and this helps the group and its outcomes to function properly.
We have to discuss whether our subjects are relevant to health and safety. I believe they are, because we're doing exponential growth in maths, and we need that there if we're going to sector off in the hospital being health and safety. So I believe they do, and that's me.
No. Six there, participate and contribute to team based activities. That's nearly the most important thing out of the whole lot, and that's all I have to say about that.